Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
A storage controller manages disk arrays and presents logical volumes to hosts. It abstracts multiple physical drives into RAID sets and logical units. Many controllers include 1 GB to 8 GB cache for write and read acceleration. Cache improves throughput and reduces latency during peak operations. Controllers commonly support RAID 0, 1, 5, 6, and 10 for redundancy and performance. Host interfaces often include SATA and SAS and offer up to 12 Gbps link speeds per port. Mount the storage controller in the server chassis rails and align with drive bay cutouts. Confirm the card or module fits the 3.5-inch drive bay form factor if applicable. Connect power and use locked SAS or SATA cables for all drive channels before applying power. Ensure the controller battery or supercapacitor for cache protection is installed and healthy. Power on the system and verify controller LEDs indicate ready and no fault status. Label each cable and port to simplify future maintenance and drive replacements. Enter the controller BIOS or management utility during boot to configure arrays and volumes. Create RAID arrays and choose a 64 KB stripe size for balanced general performance. Initialize new arrays and designate at least one hot spare before placing volumes into production. Assign logical unit numbers and map them to hosts using the controller multipathing features if required. Monitor smart attributes and controller logs regularly to detect drive degradation early. Update controller firmware during maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.